Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making baked horseradish salmon. What all goes into the baked horseradish salmon? 4 salmon fillets, 6 ounces each. These are only 4 ounces each, but we'll make it work. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup prepared horseradish. 1/4 cup sour cream. 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon fresh dill chopped. This is optional. Lemon wedges for serving. And fresh dill or parsley for garnish. And this is optional. So let's begin. So take a baking sheet and either layer it with parchment paper or grease it with olive oil. I'm choosing to grease it with olive oil. Then place your fillets on the baking sheet and salt and pepper them on both sides. And then set them aside. Preheat the oven to 400. Take a small bowl, dump in the 1/4 cup of prepared horseradish, the 1/4 cup of sour cream, the 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, the 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and if using, the 1 tablespoon fresh dill, chopped, and mix that until fully combined. Buddy smelled the salmon and he got excited, but he didn't get any. Take your sauce and spoon it over each salmon fillet. Then just smear them clear to the end. Bake in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes until salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. So here is the baked horseradish salmon sitting on a bed of Spanish-style rice and quinoa. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It looks like salmon.
It is salmon. It is baked horseradish salmon.
It didn't have a whole lot of kick to it. Isn't horseradish supposed to be hot?
Yeah, if it's just horseradish, this has sour cream and lemon juice also in it.
Okay. It's got a really good flavor. You said horseradish, I was waiting for, but it didn't happen. But it's good. You can have some?
Probably not.
I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.